Market is back up again today, waiting on stimulus. I want to go over the latest results for the portfolio calculator, latest trade setups. We look at the portfolio calculator as a combination of all strategies in this spreadsheet. We export those from TradeStation. And the All Strategy Access 77 is at brand new equity peaks as of yesterday, October the 19th. Market sold off. We had some nice short trades. And we are 99.4750 on the month. And you see the current drawdown is 0. Here is the drawdown curve. We were in a drawdown, and we talk about how in the market, when the portfolio goes into a drawdown, it is a good time to get in. And then it rallied back. This drawdown curve represents the current drawdown minus the maximum equity peak. And so, when you get to an equity peak, if you're at an equity peak today, and that is the highest equity peak of all, your drawdown goes to 0. So you get these run-up periods, frequent run-up periods when it's pegging the 0 line. Sometimes it takes a while to get back, and right now we are back at equity peaks on the All Strategy Access 77 portfolio. The micro stock index and gold portfolio also hit a new equity peak yesterday. Let's look at that. 0 current drawdown. Up 1787.75 on the month. This is based on the micros. I'm thinking about adding a stock index and gold, so there is no confusion. This is 1/10 of the stock index and gold. And so if you're trading this on the stock index and gold portfolio, you're up $17,877.50 with a, you just basically multiply everything by 10. So if you're looking at this portfolio, the risk to worst case drawdown and equity peak is $35,847.50. We always encourage that you wait for a drawdown, so we always let you know when there is a run-up, and then also let you know when there are drawdowns, and try to keep you updated on this. It's good to get in and get started because these drawdown cycles happen fast. If I say, hey, the portfolio's in a drawdown, you should consider starting here to buffer any worst-case drawdowns. And so then, it takes some time to get set up, and so it could rebound quicker than you have a chance to get in. So basically, brand new equity peaks here in the stock index and gold portfolios. Let's look now at the rest of the portfolios. They also did well yesterday. Here are the results, by the way. I have this new tab here I've recently added. You can click on it, and you can see the daily results. This is a formula equals today. You can change the date, and there is no data for 10/20, so it reverts back to 10/19. And yesterday, All Strategy Access 77, 3172.50, stock index 19, 3137.50, stock index portfolio 36 up 2,000, 200K portfolio up 25, 87.50, micro stock index and micro gold 387.50, 100K day trade, biggest winner on the day, 4062.50. And so the liquid day trade portfolio and Esser Counterson 234 were down on the day. The others were up. And so the rest of the portfolios, here's what the stock index portfolio 2020 looks like. 1,900 from a new equity peak, up 1,600 on the month. Stock index portfolio 36. $3,200 from an equity peak, 8832.50 on the month. And the 200K portfolio is minus 972.50 on the month, 4,400 from a new equity peak. The 25K, 50K portfolio it's in a 44.80 drawdown, down 25.05 on the month. It hasn't traded on Thursday, Friday, or Monday, and today it has a loss in Cobra 3, meaning NASDAQ, so it is down on the day, additional minus 625. This has been one of our strongest portfolios. It is underperforming the others this month. There's a cycle between portfolios. Some months, some portfolios do better. Other months, other portfolios do better. But if you're looking to start this portfolio or add to it, drawdown, it's right here in this drawdown, an additional 625 after the loss today. So it's about a $5,400 drawdown from its new equity peak. So you could add additional positions here. And so let's take a look at the other portfolios, see where we are on that drawdown curve. 100K day trade portfolio near equity, or it did make equity peaks yesterday. So brand new equity peaks in the 100K day trade portfolio, up 53.45 on the month, and you see where it was at in this drawdown point, and you see that little line up to zero, no drawdown. So nice month here in the 100K. The liquid day trade portfolio, 7,900 from a new equity peak. It is down 480 on the month. Here is the drawdown curve. So this one is more affected by the SR counter trends, which are struggling, have struggled since the pandemic. Strong beginning of the year, and a lot more V movement and fast V reversals we've had lately. And let's look at the SR counter trend portfolio. So oftentimes the dogs end up being the best performers, and the best performers end up being the dog. That's just a cycle. We looked at this during the pandemic, the beginning of the pandemic, the first quarter, huge gains, up 60K in the first quarter, and then just kind of paltry results since then. And it's in a drawdown. You can see the drawdown curve right here. And so it's psychologically, it's oftentimes easier to get in on something that's a hot performer, but it's always better to start in a drawdown. And I prefer fast drawdowns over slow drawdowns. This one's taking a while, and so we're monitoring these strategies. As you can see, the diversity in the all strategy access has not been affected by that. I mean, it's affected because it's down, but overall this portfolio is consistent, even though it's still trading those SR counter trends, which are struggling because we have a greater diversity of methodologies. And so that's the update for today for the portfolios and where we are. Three portfolios at equity peaks and some in drawdowns. It's October the 10th or October the 20th, 2020.